Hey everyone! Google Drive has changed its video encoding, making it much harder to download view-only restricted videos. Previously, we could use the video playback filter in Chrome console, but that method no longer works. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a new working method to download Google Drive videos in 2025. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Please do not use it for illegal activities. Here's a restricted Google Drive video that does not have a download button. To start, open your browser's developer console. On Windows, press F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I. On Mac, press Command+Option+I. Then, go to the Network tab. Now, in the filter bar, type MIME equals video. This will show all the video-related network requests. Now, play the video for a few seconds. Next, click on Size to sort the files by size. Find the largest file, right-click on it, and select. Copy greater than copy URL now. Open a new browser tab and paste the URL you just copied. Important: delete everything after A in the URL. Press Enter. And now you will see the video playing in the browser. But there's a problem. The video has no sound. To download the audio, go back to the developer console and change the filter from MIME equals video to MIME equals audio. Again, look for the largest file, copy the URL, and paste it in a new tab. Just like before, delete everything after B, then press Enter. Now you have the audio file. Now let's combine the video and audio. There are many free tools online where you can do this. Just Google "merge audio and video online" and use any free website. Upload the video file, upload the audio file, align them, and click Export. And that's it. Now you have the fully working Google Drive video with audio. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.